Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually make a permanent password or how you can do anything about passwords in Teamviewer. So let's go ahead first and open Teamviewer, and as you can see, that is my password currently. So which is H3, I don't know what this is, and etc. And this password will keep changing each time I close this window. So for example, if I close TeamViewer here, so remember it starts with H3 and ends with Q. So if I shut down my TeamViewer and I try to reopen that, it changed it so in 3T, and it's really annoying sometimes because the password has to be fixed or something like that. You need to give the password each time, and that is really annoying and boring. So what you can do basically is, if you have a free license, you can't really make a password that is fixed, but you can go through your settings. So if you went through settings from here and we went to security, yes, so here what you could do is you can give an easy access. So easy access is the recommended way to access your device remotely to set a personal password instead to go to advanced tab. So by doing this and giving an easy access, you can go to advanced, show advanced options from here, and let's go and search for password. So here we go and search for password, and here it is the personal password, which is, for example, let's make it go 3123 and let's click on OK. So this is the password that we will be using, for example, in order to connect to this PC, and it will be permanently. Of course, it will not shows up in here. It will be a secondary password, but it will be permanently, and you can use it instead of this long random password that generates each time you log in. So yeah, guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.